Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to share with you how to make Rumali Roti. You can easily make it at home and a quick mushroom side dish. It's a wonderful combination and I hope you like it. Now let's get started. Ingredients to make Rumali Roti. In a large mixing bowl, I'm adding 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, half a cup of wheat flour, I'm adding half a teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of sugar. Give a mix before adding milk. Add 1 cup of hot milk, little at a time, and combine well. Once it becomes like a dough, transfer over the tabletop and knead for 8 to 10 minutes. Now we have to knead the dough by holding it from one side and stretching the other end. Doing so will help the formation of gluten, and later while rolling the roti, it won't shrink or tear. The dough is nice and soft. Apply some oil, cover it with a cloth and let it rest for about 30 minutes. Ingredients to make mushroom gravy. First, let's clean the mushrooms. I'll show you in two ways. The first method is just remove the stem, pinch and peel the skin off. It will come out easily. By doing so, you can easily remove the residue. As you all know, it has lot of water content. If you wash it, it will become soggy. Do not discard the stems. You can chop them finely and add it to the gravy. The second one is sprinkle some flour on the mushroom and gently rub it so all the dirt, that's earthly dirt, will go off. Now let's make mushroom gravy. For that, into a pan, add 2 tablespoons of butter. Once the butter melts, add a small piece of cinnamon stick, 1 green cardamom, a few stone flour. Saute it for 10 seconds, then add 2 tablespoons of finely chopped garlic. You can also use ginger garlic paste, a tablespoon of finely chopped ginger, 3 green chilies chopped. Fry all this for 30 seconds. I'm adding 1 big onion finely chopped. Saute this for a minute. Onion has turned pink and has cooked well. Now in this stage, add 1 big tomato finely chopped. Cook this also for a minute. To this I'm adding half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri chili powder and 1 teaspoon of chili powder. You can adjust the spices according to your liking. Add salt according to your taste. Before it changes color, add half cup of water. Give everything a nice mix. Cover and cook for 3 minutes or until the oil separates from the sides. spices are cooked well. Now in this stage, let's add the mushrooms. This is finely chopped mushroom stem. This is 250 grams of mushrooms. Chop big chunks. As it cooks, this will shrink. I'm adding few curry leaves. Again, mix everything well. Mushrooms are some of the world's healthiest foods, not only because they taste great, but also because they contain incredible amounts of vitamins and minerals. Mushrooms are low in calories and high in nutrients, making them one of the best foods to eat as part of a healthy diet. I'm adding 3 tablespoons of cashew nut powder. Just grind the cashew nut and add it to the gravy. This will add up extra richness to the gravy and also acts as a thickening agent. Mix well and cook it for a minute. Finally, add half a teaspoon of garam masala powder, half a teaspoon of dry fenugreek leaves, some coriander leaves and curry leaves. As you can see, oil has started to separate. This is beautifully done. Now turn off the flame. Cover and keep it aside till we make our roti. The dough has been resting for 30 minutes, nice and soft. Knead it one more time. Sprinkle some flour on the working surface. Let's divide the dough into 10 equal portions. First, let's roll all the dough into small rotis like this. To one side of the roti, add some oil, spread it all evenly, and then sprinkle some flour and keep the other roti on top. Likewise, let's prepare all the rotis and keep it ready. Now all the rotis are ready to roll. Now take one roti, one set, that is we join two rotis together. That one, roll it into thin as possible. And also it should be equally thin on all sides. It should be thin like this. Check it out. Take a big pan. Pan should be nice and hot. Once it's hot, add the roti and wait for some time. Once you see the bubbles like this, press the edges with a kitchen towel or a ladle. Once you get this light brown spots, turn it to the other side and cook. This is done on both sides. Now I'm going to take it out from the pan. In the same manner, let's finish it off with the rest of the rotis. As soon as you take it out from the pan, just separate the rotis. You can fold it however you want. I'm going to fold it this way. Put it in a hot pack or wrap it with a towel. Check it out how soft it is. Follow the exact measurement to get a soft roti like this. It will not tear or brittle. Serve hot with any favorite dish of your choice. Do try this and share it with your family and friends. Share your thoughts and your suggestions about this recipe in the comment section below, and I hope you like this recipe. If you do, consider subscribing, like, share and comment. Thank you all so much for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy, happy cooking.